guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be attempting to do box braids. I'm going to insert pictures here of the inspiration that I have, but I 100% got this idea from Halfrican Beaute. I'll leave her channel link down below in the description box. I'm not a professional hairstylist, but before I hop into this video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. I will see you guys in the next clip. So I'm going in with the True Braid Afrikalon fiber pre-stretched hair in the color 4, my Pantene heat protectant, edge booster, and a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to start by applying the leave-in conditioner to my hair, and then along with the heat protectant I'm going to begin to rake the products through my hair, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer. As I'm blow drying, I'm going to be holding my hair taut, and then once I finish blow drying each section, I'm going to comb through it and then clip my ends. So once I am done blow drying my hair, I then go in with my rat tail comb and begin to part my sections. Now when you are parting sections for individual box braids, you want to be sure that your sections are very crispy and straight. Also, I tried to make sure that every part was symmetrical on both sides of my head, and at the end of all the parting and braiding, I had a total of 14 braids, 7 on each side. I'm going to try to explain this as best as I can, but when I braided my hair and fed in the fake hair, I started by braiding my real hair maybe 2 to 3 times, and then I fed in the fake hair by slipping it in the back into the middle piece and the left piece. And then I just continue braiding as tightly as possible. Alright guys, so I finished my first braid and I did cut it and put a rubber band on the end because I do like them a little shorter. I don't want them too long. This is the braid. You can see right here in the middle it kind of got a little messy, but it's going to be in the back, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. But I am going to show you guys the root and how I blended the braid in. So as I'm braiding and adding in the hair, I make sure that I take a little bit of the jam or edge control that I am using, and I slick down the little pieces that like to stick up on my actual hair so that it is a nice, clean, sleek finish. Also, when you're doing your front sections, you want to be mindful of any hairs that may stick up or stick out that will make the hair look incomplete. You want to make sure that you are laying your edges before you braid and also using a good amount of jam around the perimeter of your braiding section to make sure that your hair stays clean and looks nice. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed me kind of giving you a tutorial on the large knotless braids and how to do them. I tried to show some close-ups of me actually intertwining the fake hair with my actual hair. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and check out my whole entire Vlogmas series. I will leave it linked down below in the description box in the order that you should watch. And you guys, I just can't get over how my hair turned out. Like, it turned out so well for a beginner, a first timer. I think I did a really good job for my first time, but if you have any more tips for me that will help me get it perfect next time, leave them down below in the comment section. Also, follow me on my social medias. I'm gonna leave my Instagram in the description box and my Snapchat in the description box as well, so go ahead and follow me on both of those. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.